Hi, welcome to How to Draw a Symbol. Today we're going to learn how to draw a 10. Let's start off by drawing a horizontal line for the floor, followed by a slightly curved angle line going to the left like so. Then, mirror that line to make a triangle. At the tip, draw a horizontal line that droops slightly to the top of the 10. Then, copy the right side of the triangle over here and draw a wavy vertical line from the tip of the triangle down for the flex. For some added detail, draw a very thin curved line at an angle here for some texture. And then some small, thin rectangles for some pegs here, here, and here, with 2 more on the top corners as well. And now you've got a 10.